Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Trickster voice effect option not showing on TikTok. So first of all, just open up the TikTok application and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Click on these three bars and go for this settings and privacy. From here, just scroll down and find this option report a problem. Just click on this report a problem. Now from here you have to find where it says at the very bottom submit a report. Just click on this. So at this section here, make sure to just explain to them that the texture voice option is not working and showing, and explain to them how this is important to you, and if you can add also a picture and videos, that would be more helpful. Just press submit here and wait for that. So once you submitted it, TikTok will get back to you 1 or 2 business days, and hopefully they will help you in this problem and solve it for you. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.